we should have never did it here.
Okay, we'll clean it up. We'll put it right in the back.
Oh, really, dude?
Oh, that's a little paper.
Mama, here's the car.
What do you get for Grant's birthday? Bag of paper?
Oh, stop! Ooh, that one. That's awesome for me.
Yes.
Oh, pick that!
Help him pick it up, Andy.
You're too much.
Oh my gosh!
Shh.
I think we needed the private room here.
Whoa, awesome. Let me help you.
Actually, we don't pick this stuff up.
Why are you?
Oh my God!
Why are we giving him one thing at a time?
He's too excited.
What did you get? Oh my gosh!
Oh, wow.
You hit the jackpot.
There's another one. See what it is? Whoa! We need. Oh my! I just made it, and I love it. I love it. I love it. Ash, I love it. Ash, last but not least, the best present of all. Rip it. Angry Bird. Oh! Oh!
Look at Daddy, look at Daddy.
Oh!
I'm over
Are
here.
you Angry Bird?
Let me see. Show me.
It's a game. Mom?
Is it a Big Bird game?
No, it's an Angry Bird
It's an Angry Bird game.
Ashton, I could help you. Too.
Okay, quick.
I could help you.
Pick your stuff up.
Oh, you stepped on your Angry Bird. Oh, bad boy. This is my favorite I ever got. I saw this video again. I saw it on YouTube.
I want to play that with you. Okay?
Here.
Again?
Yeah, but not now.
But I'll play it in the main table.
We're going to have breakfast now.
You have birthday breakfast.
Can I have my present?
Here, put everything in here.
Can I have my present? I want my
Alexander.
present.
Let him be. Let him be.
Hi.
Alex, sit down. Andy, sit down.
I was just trying to help get him
I
on
know.
the table.
No. Sit down.
Okay, see that?
Ashton, you guys sit down.
Passed out.
Look at Abuela has a nice card for you too.
Okay. Let me see what it is.
And you tell Mommy to read it, okay?
I'm gonna read it.